Welcome back, my green lover community, and what a pleasure it is to be here today talking to you about the things we all share, the passion we share and love, and that is greenery, plants, bringing them into our homes, making our spaces feel more lush, vibrant, and of course, alive. Now today I want to talk about a plant that will make any plant lover feel like a, king or possibly a queen, and that is the Crown of Thorns cactus. So, here are a few tips on how to care for it. This one here is a wonderful flowering cactus that is good to grow indoors or out. Growing branches that guard itself with dark, long thorns. At its very top sprouts thick green foliage. And from the center of this green blooms these beautiful blood orange, red, and white flowers, depending on the cactus you have, and will continue to bloom throughout the year if given the right care. The more light you give it, the more you'll see it bloom. Speaking of light, if indoors, place them in a south or western facing window that has at least direct sun pouring into it. They will thrive when receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun. If placing them outdoors, find a wonderful spot with full sun, and these babies will love you for it. When it comes to water, make sure you allow the soil to completely dry between waterings. If outdoors, you'll need to water it even more often. While I use small stones to decorate the top of the soil, in order to check the moisture of the soil, I kind of treat it like baking a cake. I'll take a small wooden dowel, stick it down into the soil, and if it comes up with mud on it, it's not time to water it. But if it comes up dry, then it's time for a drink. When it comes to the soil, make sure you give it a mix that is fast drying and well aerated. So when repotting, the signs will be clear. The roots will be creeping out of its drainage hole. Make sure that when you're repotting it, place it in a pot that is 2 inches in diameter, larger than the previous pot. But be careful with this one, because this bark is just as bad as its bite. While the thorns can poke a nice hole into your skin, its sap is toxic to kids and also pets. So that's how you're going to care for your Crown of Thorn cactus. If you're feeling like me, you feel like royalty, right? Caring for that plant, you should. Place that crown on top of your head. And when you do care for it, make sure you wear, a floral shirt that matches the blooms of the plant. I mean, that's what I do. I hope this helps. And yeah, stay safe. And of course, stay wild.